Fairfax Community Center, and today we'll be going through some stretching exercises to help you get ready for when you're going to go outside and do something more strenuous, maybe bicycle riding, power walking. You're going to walk with your family, you're going to play an activity outside with your family. Maybe you're into sports and you need to stretch before you get ready for your sport routine. So we're going to do some stuff standing, and we're going to be doing some stuff on the floor. And if you don't like using the hard floor, maybe you're on your carpet at your home. If not, you can use a towel. You can always use a towel. You put the towel down on the floor, and then you sit on the towel. Or you can use a yoga mat if you have a yoga mat. It's just a really thin mat, and it rolls out, and you can put it on the floor, and you can use it to sit on the floor. But typically, I just sit right on the floor. I was a PE teacher for a while back, and I used to do this routine with my elementary students, and I just use the gym floor. So however you want to do it, whatever makes you most comfortable is perfect. And we're going to start with some shoulder rolls. We're going to go backwards, counting, and then we're going to go forwards, counting to 10. Okay, so we're going to start going backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're going to go forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now we're going to do some head roll. Feet still shoulder width apart. You can bend your knees if you would like. And we're going to start with our head down, and we're going to roll our head to the right, back, left, forward, right, back, left, forward, and go the other way. Left, back, right, forward, left, back, right, forward. Okay, stand up nice and tall. Take a deep breath in. Let it out through your mouth. In, out, in, out. Okay, good. Now shrug your shoulders. Shrug them. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Get them all nice and loose. Up, down, up, down. Okay, now we're going to do some arm circles. So your arms out, palms down. This is your palm. Put the palms down, and we're going to roll our arms forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Now put your palms up. And we're going to do the same thing. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! I felt it all in my biceps and my triceps and my shoulders. Oh, that felt good. Okay. Then so we're going to bend our knees, and we're going to stretch to the right, counting 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's a side stretch. Feel it all in your side. Feel it in your triceps when you're over your head, and your shoulders. All right, so now we're going to do some waist twists, bending our knees, and we're arms up to our waist, and we're just twisting. Left, right, 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 left. All right, good job, everyone. All right, so keep this up in your hands. Okay, now we're gonna put our feet together and we're gonna do some toe touches. So we're gonna start off with hands on our waist, and we're gonna touch our knees, toes, knees, and then up, okay? We're gonna do 10 of those. Ready? You can bend your knees a little bit, keep them straight, but you should feel the stretch all in the back of your legs and your hamstrings and your calves. All right, ready? Knees, toes, knees, 1, knees, toes, knees, 2, knees, toes, knees, 3, knees, toes, knees, 4, knees, toes, knees, 5, knees, toes, knees, 6, knees, toes, knees, 7, knees, toes, knees, 8, knees, toes, knees, 9, knees, toes, knees, 10. All right, good job. Use up big hands. All right, now we're gonna move to the floor. Again, if you would like to use a towel or a mat, feel free to do so. All right, so legs together, and you're gonna reach for your toes, and we're gonna put our heads down, feel the stretch all in our back, and we're gonna count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sit up nice and tall. Breathe in, out, in, out, in, and out. Okay, now again, stretching forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in, out, in, out. All right, now we're going to do a straddle stretch. Legs are open. And we're going to stretch forward as far as we can. And we're going to walk our hands over to our feet, and then we're going to hold it and count for 10. So we're going to go to your right first. So walk your fingers over. Walk, 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 walk. Reach for your toe. Count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Walk to the middle. Hold it there. Count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, good job. We're going to walk over to your your left foot. Counting to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, back to the middle. Walk, 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 walk. Use your fingers. Reach forward as far as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, good job. Sit up. Breathe in, out, in, out. Good job. It's called the straddle stretch. All right, now we're going to do butterfly stretch. So you're going to bring your feet together, and you can flap your wings like a butterfly. All right, so now we're going to hold our ankles, bring your head forward, and as far as you can, try to get your head close to your toes, counting to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, sit up. Nice and tall, flap your wings. Breathe in, out, in, out. All right, lean forward again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in, out, in, out. Good job. I know that was a lot, but it's very good for your body and it's something you can use every day. You can do it while you're at home and right before school starts, when we go back to school. You can do it at any time you want. You can do it in the middle day if you want. But it's very good for all your muscles. Gets everything all stretched out, and your back muscles, your sides, and your hamstrings, and your quadriceps. Everything gets stretched out, and you're ready to go. So that'll help prevent sports injuries. So that's a very good thing to do every day. And I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you continue to do the stretching because it's very good for your body. And we just want to thank you for joining us at the NCS Live Summer Camp Program.